This video clip reviews how to use the video surveillance and archiving tabs in EZConnect. In this short clip, I will briefly show you how to use the surveillance tools available to you and how to record, archive, and download portions of video onto AVI files that can later be used for a variety of purposes. Please note that this video can be maximized in order to see EZConnect more clearly. Also note that the visual quality of the video online may not reflect the visual quality of the program when installed or used real time. This is the dashboard of the EZConnect system. In order to access the Surveillance tab, please select Surveillance located at the top of the program. This is the Surveillance tab of EZConnect. Here, you can quickly view assigned groups of cameras or select stores to view all cameras installed for that particular store or location. Let's select a store. This is what we call the video panel. The video panel will hold a maximum of 16 camera views per page, and you can switch to the first, previous, next, or last pages of cameras by using the tools located on the bottom left of the panel. This same toolbar also allows you to switch to two different views. You can play around with these views, drag and drop cameras onto the main view, etc. The next toolbar is the Video Control toolbar. Going from left to right, the first option is the Instant Playback option, which turns the clock back 1 minute from the live time. Each time you select this option, the videos are turned back further. Please note that live video is bordered by a light green color, and the historic video is bordered by a light blue color. The next option on the toolbar is the Stop option, which just stops the current video until you select Return to Live. The next options are the standard Rewind, Play, Fast Forward, and Pause options, which are pretty self-explanatory. If at any point while you are viewing historic video you wish to return to live video, simply select the Return to Live option, which is the last option available on this toolbar. You will notice that the outline and little circle on the top right-hand corner of the cameras will turn from light blue to green as you return to live video. The next toolbar, to the right of the Video Control toolbar, gives you a variety of extra options. The first option, when selected, allows you to choose the exact date and time to view historic data on all cameras in the video panel, granted enough storage was purchased for said date and time. Simply select the icon, then select the appropriate date on the calendar and the appropriate time on the clock. When finished, select Play Historic. The next option allows you to change the size of the videos on the video panel. Select the icon that resembles a magnifying glass and slide the button up to make the images bigger or down to make them smaller. Select Auto to readjust the cameras to the default size. The next icon, which resembles a camera, is the Snapshot option. To take a snapshot or picture of all the cameras at their current displayed time, whether it's live or historic, select the Snapshot option at that given moment. I suggest that you use the Video Control toolbar, such as the Pause option, to help aid you in this task. Once you select the option, a new window will pop up and give you a number of new options. Here, all current cameras will show snapshots of the time you displayed, and you can scroll through these pictures with the scroll bar located on the right-hand side of the window. You can also enlarge the window by clicking and dragging the bottom right-hand side of the window. The checkmark icon automatically selects all pictures, and the X icon deselects all pictures. This is usually helpful if you have a large number of photos to scroll through. You can also manually select or deselect all snapshots by clicking on the small white box located in the top left-hand corner of all pictures. You can save the file to the default location in EZConnect Files, save the file to your location to access the pictures, send them by email, or print them out. You can also quickly email them using your default email program. When selected, the recycling icon refreshes the window in case all pictures did not display correctly. Another section in the Surveillance tab is the Camera List panel. Usually hidden, scrolling over this panel, which is located on the right-hand side, will unveil the option to add or remove cameras on the current video panel screen. Simply clicking or dragging cameras from or to the list will add or remove them from the video panel. You can also select all available cameras with the checkmark icon and add them to the video panel with the plus icon. The add icon will only add cameras to the video panel that you have selected from the list. You can change the display of the list by either selecting the View List or View Large Icons. Cameras are now displayed as a list. After selecting Large Icons, cameras are displayed as large icons. Selecting the Auto Hide icon located directly to the left of the X or Close icon will keep the list uncovered or make this list hidden again. A new tool at your disposal in EZConnect is the Record and Archive option. With this option, you can choose to record certain portions of video on all cameras. Choose which cameras are a priority for recorded video, and then create AVI files that you can archive or save, download, and send to other people. Let's take a look at that now. To record videos that can be saved as files, first align the videos with the time you would like to record, then select the red circle marked Record. The system will start to record until you select the red box which is in the same location. Once you select to end the recording, a window will pop up that will ask you several things. First, on the left-hand side, you can check or uncheck cameras that you would like to have recorded. Remember, each camera is saved as a separate file, so it's only recommended that you select the cameras that you need. Next, you can name the file. A default name is provided, but we recommend that you use a name that is easily identifiable for record purposes. From here, you can choose to manually provide the specific time within the recording that you would like to use. Next, you can choose whether or not you want to include text overlays on the video, such as receipt overlays, and you can select to automatically download the file onto the archiving folders of EZConnect when it is ready. When you are finished selecting the options, select OK for the files to configure correctly. To check progress on the files, select the Archiving tab located at the top of the main window. Then select Video Archive. Here, you can see a list of all the videos that you have recorded and configured on the system, but have not yet been downloaded. You can see any information regarding the videos by looking at the top of the panel. Here, you can sort the videos by status, saved date, location, camera number, or duration. The default setup is sorted by the latest videos recorded being placed on top. In the information panel, you can also see which cameras pertain to which video, their location, etc. As an additional tool, you can use the Filters panel located on the left to filter out videos. Select an option, then remember to select Video Archive to refresh your archive with the filter option included. The filter option by recorded video means that the videos will filter based on when they actually took place. The option by created video means that the videos will filter based on when you created or recorded them. For more information regarding filters, please watch the filter tutorial available on the EZConnect website. You can do other activities while the video is being configured. Once a video is ready to download indicated by a check mark on the archiving panel or a 100% bar under the record progress, you can right-click on the video, save the video to My Saved Files located on the system and stored right below the archiving panel, or select Save As to select your own location to save the file. Other standard options are also listed. As you can see, if you select Save, the file will be saved under My Saved Files. If you double-click on a file that you've created, it'll open up in a Windows Media Player format. These are the standard uses of the tools under the Surveillance and Archive tabs. To learn more about the system, please visit the website and view other help and tour videos on EZConnect. EZConnect, managing made easy.